how to use Neon app. So here is Neon app, Money Talks. So here you have it. Quite popular app to get paid for your calls, as you can see in top charts right now. I don't know how legit is this app. There are a lot of different signals about this app. Some people say it's just advertised a lot, but actually it's quite scammy app. But just, let's go through it. So the idea of the app is that you register with your number, and then if you make calls through this app, your calls are obviously being recorded. Seems your data is being kind of sold to AI companies, but you're getting paid for that. And yeah, so that's the idea. You're getting paid if you make calls through this app, either to your friends who are using also Neon app, or if if you just call into any other third party, not Neon number. And then that's the idea of the app. And here is my link, which you can use. So this is my referral link. So this is also another way to earn through this app. So feel free to use it. So anyhow, here is the app. You can just open it up, and then you just see your contacts. You can see your calls. You can see recent calls. You can see your settings. You can see how much you need at least to earn 10 cents to start your payout. So minimum cash out is 10 cents. You earn 20 cents per minute of call time with Neon users if you talk. But you also need to know, obviously, that if you just call someone and keep silent on the phone, or just call someone and just leave the phone for 2 hours and hope that will calculate and earn you money, that's probably not gonna work. So yeah, need to be careful. But yeah, that's the app. And again, you can just tap on the referrals and create your referral link. Tap on this great button where it says need 10 cents and create a payout. So yeah, these are the ideas. So yeah, that's what it is.